US President Donald Trump has ordered federal agencies to immediately stop using technology developed by artificial intelligence developer Anthropic. The directive follows a dispute between the company and the Pentagon over the military use of Anthropic's AI models, known as Claude. While the country has refused to agree to what it describes as unconditional military use of its technology, Anthropic maintains that its AI systems should not be used for mass surveillance of American citizens or developed in or deployed in fully autonomous weapons. The Pentagon, however, argues that it operates within the law and that the government contractors cannot dictate how their products are ultimately used. In a post on his Truth Social platform, President Trump said that he is directing every federal agency to cease all use of Anthropic's technology immediately, stating that the government does not need or want the company's products and will not continue doing business with it. The president added that agencies currently using Anthropic systems, including the Department of War, will have a 6-month period to phase them out. He warned that the company should cooperate during the transition or face full power of the presidency, including potential civil and criminal consequences. The administration is reportedly considering invoking a Cold War-era law that grants the federal government broad authority to direct private industry in matters which are related to national security. The law was last used during the COVID-19 pandemic. Meanwhile, the Pentagon has moved to label Anthropic as a supply chain risk, a designation which is typically reserved for companies linked to adversary nations. U.S. Defense Secretary Pete Hegseth said that effective immediately, no contractor, supplier or partner working with the U.S. military may conduct commercial business with Anthropic. In response, Anthropic says that it will sue the United States government. The company maintains that no level of pressure or punishment will alter its stance, and that it plans to challenge any supply chain risk designation in court. Well, amid these developments, OpenAI CEO Sam Altman said that AI developer has inked a deal with the Pentagon to use its models in the defense agency's classified network using technical safeguards. Sam Altman said that two of the company's most important safety principles are: first, a strict ban on domestic mass surveillance and a clear commitment to human responsibility in the use of force, including decisions involving autonomous weapon systems. He added that both principles are formally embedded in the agreement.